Every day, many people think about success. They ask what success is, and everybody has a different view on success. If I ask you what success is, what would be your answer? Maybe you want to get success in your career, maybe in your relationships, maybe you want to earn lots of money, or maybe you are searching a path to survive humanity. Whatever it is, but it's about getting somewhere or getting something. We always aim on success and work around it. Actually, we work for it. But those actions we take, which many people don't take. If you get up early in the morning every day, you are successful. If you do exercise every day, you are successful. If you decide to be happy all the day, every day, I guess you are successful. In other words, success is a sum of small efforts, repeated every day in and out. If you simply don't look at the results and give your best shot every day, no one can stop your success, believe me, and no one can stop. Do what you want to do, set high realistic goals, be unreasonably passionate, have a burning desire and do a bit every day. Just even 1% of your doing will take you 30% closer to your goal in just 30 days. Wow, I guess it's an amazing formula. Success doesn't come to the most intelligent or gifted or strong people. One more point I would like to discuss here. Many a times we go back in history to search successful people and make them our idol. It's good for sure, we learn from examples. But along with it, if we study successful people of today's time, we can understand success better. See what they do, how they think, and try to learn from live examples. Every successful person is sharing a space on the internet nowadays. So find about them, read about them, you will learn a lot for sure.